nasa 3 milyong pamilya.
Good day. Today, we are going to talk about the most urgent global issues, poverty. Under the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, SDG 1 aims to end poverty in all forms everywhere. This goal recognizes that poverty is not just about lack of money, it is about lack of access to basic human needs, such as water, healthcare, shelter, and education. Despite global progress, millions of people around the world still struggle to survive every single day. Poverty happens when individuals or families cannot meet their basic needs for survival and dignity. According to the global data, over 700 million people worldwide still live in extreme poverty, surviving on every little income per day. But poverty is deeper than numbers. It affects access to education, access to healthcare, clean water and sanitation, employment opportunities, and the future of children. Children in poverty are more likely to suffer from malnutrition, drop out of school, and work at a young age just to support their families. Poverty is not just about a personal problem, it is a social and economic issue that affect the entire communities and future generations. Why SDG 1 matters? SDG 1 matters because poverty creates a cycle of children when family lack income, children may stop studying, healthcare problem increase, job opportunities decrease, communities remain underdeveloped without intervention. This cycle continues from one generation to the next. Ending poverty means creating equal opportunities so that every people has fair chance to live with dignity and security. Poverty and tourism. Tourism, when managed responsibly, can help reduce poverty. Community-based tourism provides income for small businesses, support for local products and services. When tourists choose ethical and sustainable travel options, they directly contribute by improving livelihoods. Supporting communities through tourism is not just about visiting places, it's about empowering. Fundraise and community efforts can help provide medical supplies, clean water, shelter, food supplies, clothing, even small action can create impact. As a student, we can support donation drives, promote awareness, choose responsible tourism, encourage community-based projects. Addressing poverty is not just about helping the poor. It's about building a fairer and more sustainable world for everyone. SDG 1 reminds us that no one should be left behind. If we work together through awareness, responsible action, and community support, we can closer to a future where everyone has access to basic needs and equal opportunities. Because every effort, no matter how small, contributes to creating a better society. That's all. Thank you.